Ever heard of America's tropical tasting secret? The pawpaw tree is the forgotten fruit you need in your garden. Welcome to TN Nursery, your trusted source for native trees, flowers, and plants, shipped straight from our family farm to your door. The forgotten fruit tree you should be growing. Meet the pawpaw, a creamy, tropical-tasting fruit hiding in America's backyards. Pawpaw tree thrives in zones 4 to 9, the largest edible fruit native to North America. Flavor: a mix of banana and mango, smooth and custard-like. Handles cold winters but tastes like it came from the islands. Every TN nursery tree arrives pollinated and ready to produce. No waiting, no guessing. Massive, lush leaves bring an exotic charm to your garden, supports pollinators and wildlife, adds seasonal beauty with striking foliage, thrives in shaded areas where other fruit trees fail. Unique, rare, and a conversation starter in any landscape. Want your pawpaw tree to thrive like a pro? Plant it in partial shade during the first year. This protects young growth while roots get strong. Then gradually give it more sun, and watch it flourish. Fun fact: pawpaw fruit was George Washington's favorite dessert. Bring this forgotten American treasure to your backyard today. Order now at TN Nursery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what plant you want us to feature next. Thank you for watching.